Okay, we're doing page 74, question 3. This is straight line depreciation. And I'll follow it up with a subsequent video where we do reducing balance depreciation. So part 1 of this is going to be laying out the motor vehicles account, the provision for depreciation, and the disposal. So I'm not going to be putting numbers into the provision because I'm going to have to do the rough work for that first. So I'm going to start off by doing the opening balances for the motor vehicles account. So I'm looking at my date. I'm doing this for 2005-2006, so my opening balance will be 1st of 1st 2005, and my closing balance will be the 31st of the 12th 2005. Then the disposal. Disposal happened on the 31st of the 8th 2005, and then the bank, so that's when I bought my replacement one, happened on the same date. So I'll then have a balance BD at the beginning of 06, and I'll have a closing balance for 06. So the disposal during 06 happened on the 31st of the 9th. So the bank will be the same. So and the bank is 31st of the 9th 06. And then the balance BD is 1st of 1st 2007. Okay, so the amounts of money to go in. The first thing I bought is, so how the beginning is. So if I add together the value of all my vehicles, so I've got 280 grand plus 360 plus 290, and then plus, is there something else fitted to the vehicles? And the bus had refrigeration. The second bus had a refrigeration system fitted for 20 grand. So I'm going to add 20 grand to that. So that's the total at the beginning. Just to check: 280, 360, 290, and 20 grand. Okay. So then, which one did I get rid of? So bus number 3 was crashed, trade-in, so the new one costing 260. So 260 goes there. And bus number 3 originally cost 290. Okay. So then I'll add up my total for the year. So that will be those two added together. And then my balance CD is going to be the difference between the two sides, which is that, and that becomes my balance at the beginning of next year. So during next year, what happened? Bus number 1 was crashed and traded in against a new one costing 240. So my bank is 240, that's the replacement. And bus number 1 was 280, and it had a refrigeration unit fitted 20, so that means 300 grand is the disposal. So that's the original cost of the thing I got rid of. So now I've got a balance by doing the same thing, so I'll add those two together, and then that's going to be my total. So my balance CD is going to be the total minus what I got rid of, so we have 860. Provision for depreciation. I just put in my dates first. 1st of the 1st 05. The depreciation expense is going to be 31st of 12th 05. The disposal, that one I got rid of on the 31st of the 8th 2005. 31st of the 8th 05. And then the balance CD is going to be 31st of the 12th 05. And that will be my balance BD, which is going to be the 1st of the 1st 06. And my profit and loss is going to be 31st of the 12th 06. My balance 31st of the 12th 06. And the disposal happened on the 31st of the 9th 06. Okay, and the balance brought down then is going to be the beginning of next year, 1st of 1st 07. Okay, and the motor vehicle disposal account. So first we have the date that it happened, so that's the 30th of the 8th 05. The provision will be the 30th of the 8th 05. and then there's the date 31st of the 6th, okay, 31st of the 9th, 06, and 30th of the 9th, 06. Right, so I now am ready to go and put some numbers in here. The motor vehicles for the disposal, I have 290 is the first disposal, and the second disposal is 300. So 290 is put in there, and the second one is going to be 300, which goes there. Okay, that's as much as I can do to start off with. Next thing I'm going to do is do my rough work, put it into my provision, and I'll be able to finish off my notes. That'll do us for now.